So we uploaded from the panel, and now we've got a copy, and we're looking at the programming for the telephones. You go to point editing, and you see that they don't line up. So the first floor doesn't line up with anything on the right-hand side. Second floor lines up with the first floor. Third floor lines up with the second floor. So you can see it's messed up. There's a lot of mess ups on this job, but this has been like this since 2017 as far as I can tell. So all of this information, you can actually look at this on an Access database. You just don't get the pretty tables.